Hey guys, welcome to My Recipes. Today we'll be unboxing the Philips Series 5000 blender. If you are looking for a new blender, whether it be for yourself or as a gift to a friend, you will want to make sure that you are getting quality for the money. Philips has long offered some of the best blenders on the market, and this blender is no exception to that rule. One of the things I love about this blender is that it utilizes a 4-star blade design and 700-watt motor for a more powerful blending, which will result in smoother blends. The special ice crush button can help you blend ice cubes into a smooth drink in half the time. Not only that, it comes with a mill and a chopper, making the blender even more versatile than you would expect. You can use it for juicing, meat grinding, coffee grinding, and so much more. On top of that, the blender offers a range of preset programs for everything from soups to frozen desserts and smoothies. If you don't want to use one of the presets, you can manually adjust the speed of the blender easily. There's also a pause setting for quicker bursts of power. Last but not least, the blender also has a 2-liter large jar, which will make it easy to make enough for a larger group of people. Thankfully, the blender is relatively easy to clean too, thanks to the fact that it comes with a self-cleaning mode to clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. If you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.